Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rachel. How is everyone doing? A massive thank you to all my subscribers. You guys are so amazing and wonderful. If you're coming to this channel for the first time, please subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell so you know whenever I upload a new video. And I'll be so glad that you joined my family. So today I'll be showing you how I made this delicious breakfast recipe, which is called one pan egg toast. So for my ingredients, I used mixed bell peppers, spring onions, some butter, some eggs, brown bread, cheese, and no aromat seasoning. So to start, I chopped my vegetables, next I whisked 2 eggs. So now I removed the blood spot before adding the vegetables. So you can add more or less according to your taste. Next, I added some butter to the pan on a very low heat. So I used my grill pan because I wanted the marks of the grill pan to be on the bread. Now I added the egg mix into the pan. Next, I added the bread, allowed to soak on the other side before turning over, and I allowed to cook on a low heat before flipping the egg over. Now, if you watched my previous video on the French toast, I said I hated the taste of raw egg. So because of that, I love cooking my egg thoroughly. So after 2 minutes, I'm flipping over. You do not need to wait till 2 minutes, but this is how I love my egg to be cooked. Next, I added my cheese and I folded the egg on each side. So you can fold before adding your cheese, whichever way is perfect. After folding on each side like an envelope, then I folded it in half and I turned it to the other side to ensure it is cooked thoroughly on the other side. If you do not like cheese, you can use your blackcurrant jam, marmalade, anything you would want to use. Now, this is my 1 egg pan toast, looking so delicious. I know most people are busy on weekdays, but this is so perfect for the weekend as breakfast. You can have this on a Saturday morning or on a Sunday morning, and you'll be so delighted that you had this for breakfast, because I actually love having this as my weekend breakfast. So you can see the colors of the mixed bell peppers, the melted cheese. This came out so delicious, so healthy. You and your family members would love to have this for breakfast. So if you do not want to use vegetables in this 1 pan egg toast, you can make it plain by adding your egg to the melted butter, and you repeat the same process, and that's it. Your 1-pan egg toast is ready for consumption. I believe you enjoyed this video. How best do you make yours? Do let me know in the comment section what I've done right or wrong, and I will respond to the messages. Thank you all so much for your continuous support, and I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe, bye bye, and I love you. Bye.